Jimmy, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to make this nice fall candle holder. First, today we are going to be collecting our nice and beautiful fall leaves. Now I've got 4 nice red leaves. Now we're going to go head over there. The adventure of finding leaves is to continue. This is dangerous. Never try this. But there's a humongous pile of leaves. I found a nice yellow, a maroon, a nice orange dotted one, and another maroon one. Today we will be making a candle holder for a candle. And first you're going to need Mod Podge, and you're going to need tons of leaves. Like this, and you're gonna need a paintbrush, and you're gonna need a candle and a dish. And you're gonna put your candle in there. When you put the Mod Podge on like that with all the leaves on, it's gonna be like that. And I poured a little overflow. So we're gonna start gluing these nice leaves on. Don't worry if you get too much on or make a mess, because you're gonna need a lot to make these stick. And don't be sad if you get it on you. You're gonna have to probably, maybe, you don't know. And we're gonna only make this go halfway up. I'm starting to dip them in to get a lot of glue on them because they're not sticking with just a little. Hey. There we go. We're going to take another one. Oh. Dip in. That's how much glue I put on it. I got this nice fishbowl at the dollar store, and it only cost $1. And we're just gonna continue doing this for the rest of these. I am going to be getting my fingers messy by putting the glue on the leaves. I'm going to be very messy with it. Don't worry about the glue on the leaves. It will dry clear. It should dry clear, and it will dry clear. I know it will because I've used this millions of times. And now we have to wait until this dries. Now we have so much time, I'm going to be playing with my bunny Thumper. Thumper, say thank you for watching this video to the people that are watching this. Thank you. Thumper, tell them to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell button. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button.